A fast and smooth shifting, 8-speed tiptronic transmits the power in the new Audi SQ5. The lower gears feature short, sporty ratios, while the upper gears are long to reduce revs and fuel consumption. Provided that the function is activated in Audi Drive Select, the transmission automatically switches to freewheeling mode as soon as the driver lifts his foot off the accelerator at speeds between 55 and 160 km per hour, 34.2 and 99.4 mph. For even greater fuel efficiency, the Quattro permanent all-wheel drive contributes to the sporty handling. During normal driving, it distributes the engine power with a slight rear axle bias. When necessary, the lion's share of the power is sent to the axle with a better traction. Wheel selective torque control is active on all types of surfaces. During dynamic ordering, the software function slightly brakes the inside wheels. The car turns itself into the curve ever so slightly. Turn-in behavior remains neutral longer, and handling is stable, precise and agile. The optional sport differential further optimizes handling by actively distributing torque between the rear wheels via 2 superposition stages. It sends more torque to the outside rear wheel when accelerating out of particularly tight radius, making the Audi SQ5 even more agile. The sport differential literally pushes the car into the curb, nipping understeer in the bud. Its management is integrated into the Audi Drive Select control system, and it runs over a central control unit, the electronic chassis platform. A 5-link suspension front and rear lays the foundation for the sporty driving characteristics of the new Audi SQ5. The complex design provides for greater stability at the limit and combines increased agility with significantly improved comfort. The standard damper control features a particularly widespread between comfort and dynamic. The adaptive CDC dampers, continuous damping control, are integrated into the Audi Drive Select system along with the engine, steering, tiptronic and optional sport differential. This lets the driver control the characteristics of the engine and suspension over several modes. The S-specific adaptive air suspension is available as an option. The system allows the driver to adapt not just the damping, but also the ride height to the respective driving situation. The new electromechanical power steering with S-specific tuning is an important contributor to the driving dynamics of the SQ5.